Now you can go ahead and get even more detailed. Go back to the interaction plot here. So with this third portion of the Tukey test, this actually is going to compare specific means. So usually to interpret this, I just go down the list of p-values until I find one that's significant. So we're looking at the 0.05 level. So it seems like the first significant difference at the 0.05 level is right here. So this is comparing the morning shift on setting C, so that's this point here, to the night shift on setting B, which is up here. So what we can conclude is then that there is a significant difference between these two means here. So this helps us to confirm and really clarify what we were saying before. Right before we said it looks like the night shift makes more errors on settings B and C than the other two shifts. Now this allows us to get more specific. We know that the night shift workers on setting B make more errors than, for example, the morning shift workers on setting E or setting C. But do say night shift workers on B make more errors than morning shift workers on B? Well, let's go ahead and find that, which might take a second. Looks like it's right here. At the 0.05 level, no, those aren't significantly different, right? We have night shift workers versus morning shift workers on B. This isn't a significant mean difference at our alpha level. So it's even more complicated than just saying night shift workers on settings B and C make more errors than afternoon and morning shift workers on settings B and C. Only some of those mean differences are significant. In particular, there's the morning C, which is here, or pardon me, here versus the night shift at setting C, and then also this one here, the morning shift versus the night shift on setting C. This group compared to this group. Now, whether you take that alpha level as sort of set in stone, really, it'll depend on your situation, right? In some scenarios, this might be a meaningful difference to you, right? These two mean differences. It's going to really depend on the situation. And remember, that 0.05 level is in some sense relatively arbitrary. Something where we have a p-value of 0.07 might be meaningful to us. It's going to really depend on the scenario. But that is how you perform a Tukey HSD test for the two-way analysis of variance.